The monkey is having fun. Popular celebrity here. Probably yes, there's an ice cream or a candy. It's nice and cool here. Wow, just look at this.
Come, Daddy, come.
It's 20 feet. That's 20 feet, I guess. I'll have to check. So huge. Passport. They were asking for passport, so do get a copy. I don't know. I kept my passport copy, but it was not there. Luckily, she had coming to save me once again.
Roaming around the country without even a soft copy of passport.
Curry chicken.
Okay.
KFC type chicken. Plain white rice have. Plain biryani also have.
Okay. Holy shit. Is it speed? Haan. Oh, there you go. Lots of fun. People are having fun. हाँ? वही बोल रहे हैं ना, देसी नाव, मलेशियन नाव है ये. The car driver said the parking traffic is too much, so he dropped us right in front of the Batu Caves. There you can see there's the Batu Caves. That's the main door entrance. और हाँ, और एक चीज़ है, यहाँ पे आप रोड क्रॉस करिए तो थोड़ा सा देख के क्रॉस करिए, बिकॉज दे फॉलो स्ट्रिक्ट ट्रैफिक रूल्स हियर एंड आप किसी तरह भी क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते हैं कहीं से भी. So let's go to the left. It's empty. That's the Sri Subramaniam Swami Batu Caves. You can see there the stairs. We have to climb a lot of stairs. Officially entered the Batu Caves. Yo. Yeah, the Murugan statue is also under construction. So this is the area for Batu Caves. So you can see it's currently covered. Lord Murugan statue. It's very busy here today because it's Sunday weekend. Chalo. Let's take photo first. Climbing में फिर थक जाएंगे क्या? वही फ्रेश आए हैं, फोटो ले लेते हैं. हाँ देखो ना, वो लोग फ्लोर और बनाया है. It's not only just for rain. I think so they are modifying or getting it painted. Lots and lots of monkeys. So make sure you keep your stuffs with yourself at all times. There we go.
close， 干嘛？穿上衣服吧。薛超问你的衣服拿过来，让他穿上衣服。
So, कितना सीढ़ी? 200. 272 stairs. 287 stairs. We started our journey. See, lots and lots of people. And lots of monkeys. So the stairs are pretty steep. We have taken a pause here.
ऊपर है तो देख भी नहीं पा रहे हैं.
हाँ, it's very steep now. Really very steep. So we are halfway there. There is more half to go. We are just catching our breath. And we'll start again. You see the monkeys enjoying. The monkey is having fun. popular celebrity here. Probably yes, there's an ice cream or a candy. Here we are at the top of the stairs and probably the entrance of the Batu Caves. That's how much we've climbed. Oh, it's nice and cool here. Wow, just look at this.
Come, Daddy, come.
That's probably Lord Murugan. इन्हीं का स्टैचू था बाहर में, जो कि अभी अंडर मॉडिफिकेशन या फिर रियूनिफिकेशन था. Hey, these are bats or pigeon. Oh, that's why it's called Batu Caves. You can have a picture here. So all caves. I'm not sure if you can see. Some of the bats are flying here and there. So that's the way. After you climb upstairs, आपको नीचे भी उतरना है. Here you can see lots of souvenir shops on the right hand side. Let me open my glasses because I can barely see anything. Oh, देखो, इसी का लगता है कुछ फंक्शन है. इसी के लिए लगता है वो रिनोवेट कर रहा है वो लोग. After this, no shoes. So you're not allowed to have any shoes after this point.
So the Murugan statue which you saw covered in the beginning is 140 feet tall. Just imagine 140 feet tall, and it looks amazing. And you know, when we will be climbing the 272 steps, you will be coming to Sri Subramaniam temple, where you will come and offer your prayings to Lord Murugan. And they do have a ticketing system here as well. So you can buy tickets and you know you can pray to Lord Murugan. And they also offer you know chandan and you know multani mitti tika, which is made freshly here, and it's pretty hot. So you know by the end of the you know visit inside the temple, you can have a cooler there and you can just chill out like Dipti is chilling here.
So something about the Batu Caves, they pray Lord Murugan here. Probably the Tamil people here in Malaysia, and also I think so in pretty much in southern parts of India as well. Do not have exact details which parts of India do they pray, but I think so people following me from the South Indian area, South Indian region of the India can let me know. So this is even much better. If you see, it's complete all open area here. Great lightings coming down the mountain. It's really nice. So this is the main temple, and beside that you have stairs where you can go on top of. There is another temple. She's getting second thoughts. तो तुम थोड़ी देर को हम ऊपर से एक राउंड लगा के आता है, ठीक है?
बेंच पे
हाँ, उधर बेंच पे बैठ जाओ, ठीक है? कहाँ पे? वहाँ पे ना, जहाँ पे शूज़ खोले थे ना? हाँ, ठीक है. चलो. First, free travel without bags. It's all wet. And if you come to pray, they do recommend to open your shoes outside. And I see many people have already opened their shoes back in their car. So here we are at the top of another temple, top of another staircase. Just look at this. So amazing, so amazing. And I do see construction work going on here as well. So probably there's a function coming up probably by the end of the year, for which they have, you know, taken up all the decoration responsibilities here. And you can see Lord Natarajan here at the Batu Caves. I'll get some photos first, then I'll let you know about the temple. So there we have temple. Probably we'll have to open the shoes. So I'll give you a quick glimpse of it because I'm not gonna open my shoes. It's pretty wet here and it will get dirty. I'll get some pictures. So I'm not sure how many of you have seen the movie Kantara. So the Lord here used to be somewhat similar to, he's there, that's the second temple, and here you have Lord Natarajan. And that's the amazing view. So it's pretty good here at the top as well. You can come, but if you're tired you can just stay at the bottom. See all the monkeys everywhere. Heading down back again. So it's better to keep your belongings with yourself when you're around monkeys, especially if you have something to eat or drink. Yeah, so especially if you have something to eat or drink, you better keep your belongings with yourself. So she probably gave away the coconut. So there are 2 to 3 more things to enjoy at Batu Caves. Durga Ma Mandir, Hanuman Mandir and Krishna Temple. So I think so this is Durga Ma Mandir. यहाँ पे चलते हैं. That's the Durga Temple. See, that's 20 feet. That's 20 feet, I guess. I'll have to check. So huge. No problem. So that's the ticket counter. I think so. Probably if you want to go here or get your puja done, you need to buy the ticket and puja कर सकते हैं आप यहाँ पे. प्रणाम कर लो सब लोग. तो प्रॉब्ली वहाँ पे वो लोग पूजा करा रहे हैं. They're calling foreigners. पूजा करने के बाद probably they'll ask for some tip. So exactly not sure how this works, but probably they'll ask for some tip. This is the Radha Krishna Mandir where you can go. So there is the Durga Mandir, there is the Radha Krishna, and there you will go. There is Hanuman Temple. 3 mandirs apart from the Batu Caves, Lord Murugan Temple, which you can cover here at the Batu Caves. So there is a 10 ringgit per person charge here if you want to visit to these art gallery. That's probably an art gallery and the water bodies there. That's about 10 ringgits. You'll probably see fishes there, fountain, all those stuffs. So we just decided to skip that. We'll directly go to the Hanuman Temple. And this is the Hanuman Temple. Where is Hanuman? Oh, there he is. There is Hanuman statue, and here's the temple. No shoes again. Probably wear sandals if you wish to go and visit all the temples. That would be much better, because in all the temples it's pretty obvious to remove the shoes. There is the Hanuman statue, there is the Ram statue. तो बाहर निकलते हैं, फोटो खिंचा लेंगे, सेल्फी ले लेंगे. Oh, okay. There's a ticket for this. Oh, okay. So they probably have tickets for this, but you can have a view. Lord Rama. So Hanuman statue is free, and this temple here is free, but you need to buy tickets for looking at the Ram statue. Probably need to buy tickets.
I think बाद में बनाया.
हाँ वो बाद में बनाया इसलिए शायद उन पे टिकट्स लगा दिया. And they do realize the significance of Lord Ram these days, so they're charging money for that. So we're gonna get some quick photos and we're gonna leave Batu Caves. It was nice. Get 2 to 3 hours if you want to explore each and everything. But if you just want to have a photo in front of 2 hours is enough. But if you just want the photo, I think so 30-45 minutes is enough, which they do cover in the day tour. So we're done with Batu Caves and now we are going to Genting, and we are having a pretty nice conversation with our pilot. Would you like to introduce yourself, sir?
Hi. This is Captain Karthik, your pilot for the day. Then now we are going towards Batu Cave. Right after Batu Cave, we're going to Genting Highland. Where this Genting Highlands located in Pahang state. We have a 14 state. Each state we have a king. This is a democratic country, and we have a king. And this king is will be take charge every 5 years once. And this is one of the highlands that we are going, Genting Highlands, belonging to the China man. He's the richest man, one of the richest men in Malaysia. He's no more. And the Genting Highland height is about 2,000 feet from sea level.
Great. Perfect. So we'll be taking a cable car way to the top of the Genting Highland and we'll be returning back. So it's close to, as he mentioned, 2,000. So it will be pretty, we'll be at a pretty height, and probably weather will be a little bit better there. And let's see how Genting treats us. Thank you. We'll give you a call when you're on our way to back.
If you want to spend more time,
Uh-huh.
let me know. I'll make a move and later on.
Sure. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. We're going to go to the 4th floor. So there's the escalator. It's kind of mall, na? Genting Mall.
नीचे में बना दिया है.
Come to the family mart here. You can buy something if you need. We don't have water. You wanna get water, or it will be pretty cold out.
खत्म हो गया.
पूरा zero नहीं है, but कम है.
यहाँ से ले ले.
Lots of things to eat here. You can buy Coca-Cola, chips, something to drink. Probably anything which you want to have. Cola, coffee, cold coffee. You can see eggs. It's kind of like you'll get everything. Each and everything which you want to have, you can have it here. It's a little under the budget, so it's really good. Thank you. Guys, हालत ख़राब हो गया अभी. Passport. They were asking for passport, so do get a copy. I don't know. I kept my passport copy, but it was not there. Luckily, she had coming to save me once again.
Roaming around in the country without even a soft copy of passport.
I kept the Xerox. I don't know where it went.
So the cable car quality was very good. It felt very premium and very stable. There's absolutely nothing to worry about when it comes to safety. And also we had a great view while going up, and we saw Chinshui Temple as well.
We are here at the Chinshui Temple. Chinshui Temple. Chinshui Station. And Chinshui Caves and Temple is straight. कितना टोटल एस्केलेटर था? 7.
No, I'll count why I'm going
Okay.
up. It was more than
I think it's close to 7 or 8 escalators. Map here, Chinshui Temple map. Here you can get all the information in case you get lost. And here is the amazing Chinshui Temple. See, vehicles are here. So if you're coming via vehicle, and if you don't want to take gondola ride, you can ask your driver to come till here. And from here, you need to go to Genting Highland. But if you're going to Genting Highland via cable car, you can just stop in middle because it's a free stop. So that's the way. We're gonna go all from there, down there, and then to the temple. So it's how many floors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 floors in total. That's pretty high. Huh? Chinese manuscripts. तो कोई भी ना? Okay, he's the founder. Firecrackers. You wanna go around this? Or you wanna see firecrackers first?
see what's happening.
Okay, they might have firecracker show here. It smells like, oh, there. यहाँ पे पटाखा होता होगा.
कोर्टयार्ड के सेंटर में आपको चिनशुई, गौतम बुद्ध और गुआनयी का स्टैचूज मिलेंगे. One of them was founder and one of them were great monk.
So right beside Gautam Buddha statue, you can have this amazing view. कितना अच्छा ठंडा हवा चल रहा है यार. This is probably where they said we'll be needing jackets. ओए हम बस सोच रहे हैं ऊपर जो लिया होगा घर उसका क्या हवा चलता होगा.
इसीलिए उसी को
हाँ,
इसीलिए दिखता हो.
और इसीलिए वहाँ पे बिकता भी होगा. नो एसी रिक्वायर्ड. Have the wish. So there's a temple here as well, and this is where we came from. So we're heading back to the Genting Island. Our mid stop is completed at Chinshui Temple. That's the Genting theme park. It's like a complete new city. Let's see theme park के अंदर जाने मिलता है या नहीं, because we don't want to go on any rides, but we just want to, look at the rides कि कैसा rides है.
We have 3 बज रहा है. We have 1 hour something.
We are close to 1 hour. So थीम पार्क के लिए बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा सारा राइड्स कवर करते. So इसीलिए we'll just go and see if we can get access to the theme park just to have a look. You see it's all so इतना glittery है ना. तो वीडियो बनाते रहना. If you are into gambling, you can come here and we'll go to the casino. We'll be skipping the casino as of now and we'll be going directly to the Sky World because we do have less time. Indoor theme park. Metropolis. As you can see here. This is inside the mall only. Time you can get into this Ferry wheel. There are lots of things to try as well. You can have waffles on the side. It's like ये पूरा city जैसा है. Put in basket. You can win this 2 out of 2 to win. Lots of games. People are trying out games. Probably, if you're in luck, you can win these games. And also, if you're not commuting to elsewhere, where you have airport luggage limit, you can win here. You can get things straight to your bag. Buy the tickets here for all the rides. It's beside this roller coaster. You'll find the ticket counter. You can purchase all the tickets from here. Holy shit! Is it speed? Oh, there you go. Oh my! बोल रहा हूँ it is indoor, but it's nothing like indoor. है ना? ऐसा तो outdoor में इतना heavy रहता है. Lots of duck. You need to hunt the duck and pull it out. ये आपको यहाँ का मलेशियन बोट दिखाता हूँ आपको. मलेशियन बोट. Jumping spurs. Lots of fun. People are having fun. हाँ? वही बोल रहे हैं ना, देसी नाव, मलेशियन नाव है ये. So you can see यहाँ पे बच्चों का मेकअप हो रहा है. So it seems like South Asians are a lot of interested in makeup and even for their kids as well. Getting ready. बच्चा लोग भी रेडी हो रहा है. बच्चा लोग का भी मेकअप हो रहा है. So after the indoor theme park, we are going. Follow this green symbol. It's something like Bothong Way. That's the. You have to get down and go straight. From the indoor theme park level, which is on level 1, you need to get down 1 level and go straight. So you see a lot of food options here as well, but we'll be heading straight. Hopefully it won't be a difficult task. Go down, go straight. वो तो उधर बाहर जाने का रास्ता है, राइट साइड में. Hello sir, is there a separate ticket for this?
Yeah.
Is there a separate ticket?
Yeah, you need buy a ticket.
Okay, that's not in the gondola ticket. That's not. Okay. Where can we buy the tickets? There. Thank you. There is a separate ticket you need to buy there. Entry के लिए. One-day ticket standard is close to 200 Malaysian ringgit, and non-Malaysian one-day ticket child is 160 or senior citizen. You wish to visit? That's the Genting Highway entry, and you can buy the tickets here. It's close to 200 ringgits for the complete day pass, and it's complete day, so you need to come very early if you want to enjoy all the rides, the indoor rides, outdoor rides. Just like Ferrari World in Dubai, we had 3 hours, but that was not enough. You need to have complete full day to enjoy both indoor and outdoor rides.
Curry chicken.
Okay.
KFC type chicken. Plain white rice have. Plain biryani also have.
Okay.
Rawa dosa, plain dosa, chapati.
Okay.
But
The chicken captain curry, probably chicken and noodles. And here's the meat.
Croutons. So we'll finish our food and head back out quickly. It's close to 4 o'clock, and probably by 4:15 we'll be there.
So the ropeway tickets, including the return journey, cost around $500, and if you have plans to stay here, you can stay at the Genting Hotel. It is the largest hotel having largest number of rooms in total, and you can enjoy the Genting area.
Genting was good. It was nice. The ropeway was really nice. It gave us a premium feeling, not like other ropeways. So it was really nice. And yeah, Chinshui is something which you should not miss. Do take a stop, click some nice photos there. That's a nice Chinese temple, and then you can go to the Genting Highland. And indoor, that was amazing. Indoor theme park was amazing. It was very nice. And outdoor, आपको payment करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. You need to buy separate tickets, probably 190 or something ringgits per person, and that will include all of the rides for outdoor rides. So it was nice. It was a nice experience here in Genting Island. Chalo, I'll see you in the cab.
So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and hit the hype button as well. So the next day we'll be going to the Bukit Bintang area, where we'll be having amazing street food and enjoying the nightlife there in Malaysia. मिलते हैं guys अगले vlog में. Bye bye, goodbye, जय हिंद.